Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to download and install Sodium for Minecraft 1.21.4 on your Mac. Before we get started, it's important to note that you will need to have Java installed on your Mac. If you don't have it already, I'll leave a tutorial linked in the description below. The first thing we need to do is download the correct Minecraft files so we can install the Fabric modding platform later. To do this, open the Minecraft launcher and select the version of Minecraft you want to install Sodium for. For this example, we are going to choose 1.21.4. Once Minecraft has opened, this means the files have been installed correctly, so click on Quit Game. Now we can go ahead and download Fabric. To download Fabric, open your web browser and go to fabricmc.net. I'll leave this link in the description. From here, click on the Download button, and then click on Download Installer. Save the installer to your Mac desktop. We also need to download the Fabric API so our mods can run correctly. Click on the Fabric API link, which will take us to the CurseForge website. Click on the Files tab, and find the correct version of Fabric API for your Minecraft version. In our case, it's 1.21.4. Click on the Download button. After a few seconds, the download will start, so download the Fabric API to your desktop. Now that we have the Fabric API and the Fabric installer downloaded, we just need to install Fabric. Open the Fabric installer. If you get an error message, click on Done, then right-click on it and click on Open. If you're still getting the error, click Done, then click on the Apple logo in the top left corner and click on System Settings. Scroll down until you find Privacy and Security, scroll all the way down, and you should see the Fabric installer listed. Click on Open Anyway. You'll get a pop-up, so click Open Anyway, and you may need to enter your Mac password or use Touch ID. Once the Fabric installer opens, make sure you're on the Client tab at the top. In the drop-down menu, select your Minecraft version, 1.21.4. For the loader version, select the latest version, and make sure Create Profile is ticked. Click on Install. After a couple of seconds, Fabric will be successfully installed and it will inform you that you need the Fabric API. Click on OK, and close out of the Fabric installer. Now we've installed Fabric, we just need to install the Fabric API. Open your Minecraft launcher, click on Installations at the very top. You should see the Fabric loader. If you don't see it, you may need to restart your Minecraft launcher. Click on the file icon to open the installation folder and look for the mods folder. If you don't have one, you may need to create one. Click on the circle icon at the top, click on New Folder, and rename it Mods. Click into it, and drag and drop the Fabric API inside the Mods folder.
Exit out of the installation folder.
Now we just need to install our Sodium mod. To download the Sodium mod, open your web browser and go to a modding website of your choice. For this example, I'm going to use curseforge.com. Click on Minecraft, then search for the mod you want to download, which in our case is Sodium. Once inside the mod page, click on the Files tab and look for the mod version that lines up with your Minecraft version, which is 1.21.4 and also for Fabric. Click into that and click on Download.
Download the mod to your desktop.